It's Riverway Plumbing and Mechanical, your trusted plumbing and HVAC company since 2009, serving southern and central Indiana. Ever wonder what's actually going on inside your pipes? Today, we're going to show you, because a sewer camera inspection is one of the most useful tools in plumbing, and most homeowners have never seen one in action. A sewer camera inspection is exactly what it sounds like. We feed a flexible cable with a high-definition camera on the end directly into your sewer line, usually through a clean-out access point outside your home or through a drain inside. It's a real-time look at what's happening underground. Once the camera's in, we can see everything. Root intrusion, cracks, buildup, bellied pipe, even blockages that are just waiting to become a really bad day. The footage streams live so we can spot problems immediately. We record the whole thing too, so you can see exactly what we're seeing. This inspection is how we find the problem before we dig, or in most cases, confirm you don't need us to dig at all. It saves time and money and gives you a clear picture of your sewer's health. Whether you've got a slow drain, a suspicious smell, or you're buying a home and want peace of mind, a camera scope is where we start. At Riverway Plumbing and Mechanical, we serve Monroe County and all of southern and central Indiana. If you want to know what's going on underground, give us a call. We'll show you exactly what we find, no surprises. Give us a call today at 812-327-8080 or visit us online at www.riverwayplumbing.com.